Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A1. So from any screen, if I go to telephone, which is there, click on telephone, you'll see that my phone is connected. I'm just going to go back so it doesn't show anything. Right, so it's not showing anything, nothing's connected. Search for new mobile there. But settings is in the bottom right hand corner, so we're looking to delete a mobile. So these four buttons here at the side of the rotary control correspond to the instructions in the corners of the screen. So we want settings at the bottom, click on settings, telephone settings, go down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices. So those are the devices that are actually bonded to the system. So we click on there, you've got Barry's iPhone there. If I click on that, you'll see it brings up another menu, connect or delete device at the top. That's what we want. We want to delete the device. Do you really want to delete the device yet? I've gone through all those things because I don't want to delete it. Device has been deleted, please wait. That's it gone. That's how you do it.